Best home server systems provide centralized storage, enhanced security, media streaming, backups, remote access, and efficient management for personal needs. My today's video is about top 5 best home server systems that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Green Nause DXB 4800 Plus 4-bait desktop NAS. The DXB 4800 Plus NAS delivers enterprise-level performance tailored for small offices and power users who need reliable, scalable storage. Its high-performance processor ensures smooth multitasking, making it ideal for running Docker containers, virtual machines, and collaborative workloads without lag. Cross-platform compatibility across Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS enables seamless integration into any ecosystem. With up to 144 terabytes capacity, it eliminates storage anxiety, supporting massive photo, video, and music libraries. The inclusion of 10 GB networking and 10 gigabits per second USB ports enables ultra-fast transfers, allowing near-instant backups of large files. Unlike external drives, this NAS provides centralized storage, RAID-based redundancy, and remote access, ensuring both convenience and data protection. Advanced encryption and flexible permissions create a secure private cloud, while AI-powered photo management intelligently organizes media and removes duplicates. Easy setup and wide drive compatibility further enhance usability, making it a future-ready solution for secure, high-speed, and intelligent data management. Now our second product is Zemablade 21664x86 home server. The Zemablade 21664 stands out as a true server-class home computing solution, purpose-built for 24/7 workloads rather than being just another SBC or mini PC. Powered by a quad-core x86 processor reaching up to 3.6 GHz, paired with 16 GB DDR5 RAM and 64 GB eMMC storage, it delivers strong and stable performance for home labs, self-hosted services, and always-on environments. Its standout feature is the PCIe 3.0x 4 expansion slot, enabling advanced upgrades like 10 GB networking, NVMe storage, GPUs, and AI accelerators, far beyond typical USB-limited systems. Dual SATA ports and dual 2.5 GB Ethernet further enhance its capability, making it ideal for building a high-speed NAS, router, or multi-service server. With ZemaOS pre-installed and support for Proxmox, TrueNAS, and Linux distributions, it offers flexibility for Docker, media servers, firewalls, and cloud services. Compact, fanless, and highly efficient, it replaces multiple devices in one system. Backed by a 2-year warranty, it's a reliable, scalable, and future-ready home lab powerhouse. Our third product is Naveoint 6U Server Rack Enclosure. The Naveoint Consumer Series 6U Network Cabinet is a compact yet highly durable solution designed for organizing and protecting essential IT and networking equipment. Built from high-quality cold-rolled steel with a welded frame, it delivers exceptional strength and stability, safely supporting up to 110 pounds of EIA standard 19-inch devices. Its reinforced tempered glass front door with a security lock ensures both visibility and protection, making it ideal for small offices, home labs, and space-constrained environments. The removable side panels provide excellent flexibility for installation, maintenance, and cable management, allowing users to customize their setup with ease. A built-in cooling fan enhances airflow and helps prevent overheating, ensuring consistent performance for sensitive hardware. Despite its compact footprint, it offers professional-grade security, ventilation, and organization. With industry-standard compliance and robust construction, this 6U rack cabinet is a reliable choice for safely housing networking gear while maintaining clean, efficient, and accessible infrastructure in any setup. Now number 4, Zemablade Home Server Starter Kit. The Zemablade 7700 Complete NAS Starter Kit is a powerful all-in-one solution for users looking to build a private cloud with minimal complexity. Equipped with 16 GB DDR3L RAM and 32 GB eMMC storage, it delivers stable performance for multitasking, Docker containers, and always-on home server workloads, outperforming typical entry-level NAS systems with limited memory. The pre-installed CasaOS interface makes setup effortless, offering a clean, mobile-friendly dashboard and one-click apps like Plex, Home Assistant, and Nextcloud, making server management accessible even for beginners. Its x86 quad-core CPU enables smooth 4K transcoding, turning it into a capable multimedia hub for streaming content across devices without lag. Secure remote access via Tailscale or zero-tier ensures encrypted global connectivity, while AI-powered photo tools enhance media organization without relying on third-party cloud services. With PCIe 2.0 x4 expansion, dual SATA support, and upgrade flexibility, it offers exceptional scalability for networking, storage, and RAID setups. Overall, it's a versatile, beginner-friendly, yet powerful home lab foundation. And our last choice is Elite Gourmet EWM 6122 Dual 2 by 2.5 QT trays. This buffet server is a practical and versatile warming solution designed for home gatherings, parties, and small catering needs. It includes two 2.5-quart stainless steel trays, offering enough capacity to keep multiple dishes warm simultaneously, making it ideal for serving sides, appetizers, or main courses. The adjustable heat control dial allows smooth temperature regulation from low to high, ensuring food stays warm without overcooking or drying out. Its two clear dome lids help retain heat while providing convenient utensil slots, and the Stay Cool knobs and handles enhance safety during use. The base can also function as a standalone warming tray, adding extra flexibility for different serving setups. A power indicator light ensures easy monitoring, while non-skid feet keep the unit stable on any surface. Compact in size at 17 by 18.5 by 5 inches, its rectangular design fits neatly on most tables. Overall, it delivers reliable performance, convenience, and efficiency for buffet-style serving at home or events. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.